Welcome back. For those of you who haven't seen our first video on why you need a Google My Business account, stop where you're at and check it out. It'll only take a minute. Then head back over here and we'll get started on setting up your account. Now for those of you who are ready, let's set up your Google My Business account. I'm going to walk you through the simple process step by step. The first step is to log in with your Google account. If you don't have one, it's no problem. Just create an account at google.com/accounts. And you can create a free account using your existing email. Now that your Google My Business account is set up and you're logged in, you'll need to create a listing to get your business seen on Google. A listing is what you actually see when you type a business into Google. Your account is your dashboard on the Google My Business platform, just for you to make changes and to add info to your listing. Customers won't be able to see your account, just your listing. Once you have your account, go to google.com/business. Click the Manage Now button in the top right corner. It will take you to a Find and Manage Your Business page. You can type your business's name into the search to see if there is already a listing on Google under the same name and address. If your business is claimed, click Request Access and complete the form. The current owner will be emailed and you will get a confirmation email as well. If your business has not been claimed, it is time to create your listing. As an example, we'll create a business called Upstart Media. From the Find and Manage Your Business page, click Next and Google will ask you, what's the name of your business? You'll type in the name and click Next. It'll take you to choose a category that fits your business best. This will be personalized to your own business, and since we're using a media company as an example, we'll type in media. We can just say Media House. Once you have your category, hit Next. It will ask you whether your company is a place where your customers can physically visit, like a retail store. If so, click Yes. If it is not, and it is more like a service or online store, click No. Then click Next. Since our media house is a place where people can physically visit, we'll hit Yes. Now you'll type in your store's address. Click Next. If your business services outside of one specific location, you can add that in on this page, which will allow you to add other locations you are willing to go to. Then click Next. For our business specifically, we service people in our local area, so we will hit No. We'll now be asked to put in contact information. Type in a phone number for your business that your customers can reach you at. And if you have a website, you'll enter the URL here. You can also say that you do not need a website, but it is recommended that you have one. If you do not have one, and you do want one, Google will make a free website based on your information. Now you'll be taken to a Finish and Manage Your Listing page. Click Verify Now to verify the listing. You'll be sent a postcard within 14 days with a verification code. Do not make any changes to your listing during this time. When you receive the postcard, log back into Google My Business and enter the verification code. You can request another postcard from your Google My Business listing if needed. After you're verified, you're good to go to start promoting your business on Google. Now that you have set up your Google My Business account and listing, you will now be discoverable on Google search and your customers will be able to find you. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.